Want to speak real Czech from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at czechclass101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Jolana. Ahoj všichni, jsem Jolana. Welcome to the Czech Whiteboard Lessons. In this lesson, you'll learn how to speak about language abilities in Czech. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have anglicky, English. Anglicky, anglicky, anglicky. Next is španělsky, Spanish. Španělsky, španělsky, španělsky. Another one is čínsky, Chinese. Čínsky, čínsky, čínsky. Then we have francouzsky, French. Francouzsky, francouzsky, francouzsky. Next is portugalsky, Portuguese. Portugalsky, portugalsky, portugalsky. The following is italsky, Italian. Italsky, italsky, italsky. Next is německy, German. Německy, německy, německy. Then we have japonsky, Japanese. Japonsky, japonsky, japonsky. Another one is arabsky, Arabic. Arabsky, arabsky, arabsky. Next is korejsky, Korean. Korejsky, korejsky, korejsky. Then there's rusky, Russian. Rusky, rusky, rusky. The last one is řecky, Greek. Řecky, řecky, řecky. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the adverbs denominating names of different languages. Find what the adverb is and see how it's used in the dialogue. Ahoj, mluvíš anglicky? Hi, do you speak English? Ano, mluvím anglicky. Yes, I speak English. Now let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that all of our dialogues will follow. Ano, mluvím language. Yes, I speak language. Now let's look at some speaking examples. Dobrý den, mluvíte česky? Hello, do you speak Czech? Ano, mluvím česky. Yes, I speak Czech. Ahoj, mluvíš španělsky? Hi, do you speak Spanish? Ne, nemluvím španělsky. No, I don't speak Spanish. Note that we use nouns to name the languages, and that we use adverbs to say that we speak the language, like in this lesson. Let's see an example. Čeština je slovanský jazyk. Czech is a Slavic language. Mluvím česky. I speak Czech. Also note that in Czech the names of languages are not capitalized. Do you remember how to say Czech? Česky. Česky. And how to say Spanish? Španělsky. Španělsky. Do you remember how to say Chinese? Čínsky. Čínsky. And how to say French? Francouzsky. Francouzsky. Do you remember how to say Portuguese? Portugalsky. Portugalsky. And how to say Italian? Italsky. Italsky. Do you remember how to say German? Německy. Německy. And how to say Japanese? Japonsky. Japonsky. Do you remember how to say Arabic? Arabsky. Arabsky. And how to say Korean? Korejsky. Korejsky. Do you remember how to say Russian? Rusky. Rusky. And do you remember how to say Greek? Řecky. Řecky. Do you remember how to say yes, I speak? Ano, mluvím. Ano, mluvím. And how to say English? Anglicky. Anglicky. Finally, do you remember how to say yes, I speak English? Ano, mluvím anglicky. Ano, mluvím anglicky. In this lesson, you learn how to speak about language abilities in Czech. Thanks for watching. I'm Jolana and I will see you on czechclass101.com. Brzy na viděnou!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.